What's new in the April build of Pixel 4XL ROM running on the Xiaomi Poco F1? Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is new in the April build of Pixel 4XL ROM running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. Right off the bat, you will notice that the security patch has been upgraded to April 5th, 2020. The next change you will find is that the ROM now has car crash detection. So if you go into your application drawer and then open the safety application, and then if you click on the settings icon on the top left, you will see we now have the option for car crash detection. It is not available for us right now because we do not have a SIM inserted, but in case you want to try out a demo, you can always click on try a demo and it is going to give you a demo of car crash detection. Do note that this feature is available only in specific regions and it might not be available in your region. Next up, we have the new UI for the power menu. So if you press and hold the power button, you can now add your payment methods. In case you use Google Pay using NFC for payments, you won't have to go into the payment application explicitly. And of course, what that means is that your power off, restart, screenshot and emergency options have now shifted down at the bottom. In case you want to turn this off, how do you do that? Well, you go into settings, you'll go into system, you'll go into gestures. At the bottom you'll have the option of cards and passes. Turn the toggle off and bam, we are back to the old style. An important thing to note is that make sure when you install this ROM you do update all the applications from the Play Store, because this might be a feature which is available through an update from the Play Store. Then you also have the option of rules, so you can go into settings, system, and then you can go into advanced, and here we have the option of rules. Do note that the feature does need some permissions, so all you need to do is click on next, click on allow, and it also needs access to your location. Allow that as well, and now rules should work absolutely fine. So what is rules? Rules basically lets you do the following actions based on specific conditions. So let's say I want to set my phone to silent, and I can do that based on either my Wi-Fi network or my location. So let's say as soon as I walk into my office, my phone connects to my Wi-Fi network, I want my phone to go into silent mode. I can create a rule for that, and pretty nifty feature from Google. Then you also have the option of hiding the notch. So how do you do that? Well, for starters you need to enable developer options, and once you've done that, all you need to do is search the settings for display cutout. Here it is, the option for display cutout. Select it, and if you have developer options enabled, it will automatically take you to that option. Tap on it. Right now it is set to device default. Click on hide. Bam, the notch is now hidden, and use device default to go back to use the notch for notifications. Those were the features which I can show you visually. Other than that, they have also fixed video recording in Instagram and other apps. You do have new custom thermals baked in, which means those of you who do not game should easily get around 7 to 8 hours of screen on time as per the developers. And the build is no longer pre-rooted, which means in case you want to root it and bypass safety net, then you'll have to install Magisk, the link for which can be found in the description of this video. Other than that, you will not find face unlock in this build. Why? That is because this is a port from the Pixel 4 XL. Now the Pixel 4 XL has face unlock, but it uses special hardware for that, which the Poco F1 does not have. So unfortunately, at the time of recording this video, the developers have not been able to enable face unlock on this build. And as for the screen recorder, which we find in Android 11, that is also not enabled right now for Android 10. So Google's internal Pixel screen recorder is also not working on this build. Another thing is that they have debloated the ROM, so you will not find Google Camera baked in. However, I have linked Gcam APKs in the pinned comment. You can use those. And of course, those of you who want a lighter version of Google Camera, you can always use Google Camera Go. It should work on this build. In terms of smoothness, gestures, no jitters, nothing like that, no excessive battery drain. So all in all, a pretty good stable ROM. And there it is, peeps. Those were the new features of the April build of Pixel 4 XL ROM running on the Xiaomi Poco F1. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.